Who is in your family? आपके खानदान में कौन कौन है? Who is in your family? My family has my mom, dad and me. मेरे खानदान में मेरी माँ, वालिद साहब और मैं हूँ. Do you have a brother? क्या आपके पास कोई भाई है? Do you have a brother? Yes, I have one brother. जी हाँ, मेरा एक भाई है. Yes, I have one brother. Do you have a sister? क्या आपके पास कोई बहन है? Do you have a sister? No, I do not. नहीं है. No, I do not. Who is your mother? आपकी वालिदान कौन है? Who is your mother? My mother is Anna. मेरी माँ Anna है. My mother is Anna. Who is your father? आपके वालिदान कौन है? Who is your father? My father is John. मेरे वालिद John है. My father is John. How many people in your family? आपके खानदान में कितने लोग हैं? How many people in your family? There are 4 people in my family. मेरे खानदान में 4 लोग हैं. There are 4 people in my family. Do you live with your family? आप अपने खानदान के साथ रहते हैं? Do you live with your family? Yes, I do. हाँ, मैं रहता हूँ. Yes, I do. What does your mother do? आपकी वालिदान क्या करती हैं? What does your mother do? She is a teacher. वो एक टीचर है. She is a teacher. What does your father do? आपके वालिदान क्या करते हैं? What does your father do? He is a driver. वो गाड़ी चलाते हैं. He is a driver. Do you have any grandparents? क्या आपके पास दादी दादा हैं? Do you have any grandparents? Yes, I have grandparents. हाँ, मेरी दादी दादा हैं. Who is older, you or your brother? बड़ा कौन है? आप या आपका भाई? Who is older, you or your brother? My brother is older. मेरा भाई बड़ा है. My brother is older. Who is younger, you or your sister? कौन छोटा है? आप या आपकी बहन? Who is younger, you or your sister? I am younger. मैं छोटा हूँ. I am younger. Do you have a big family? क्या आपका खानदान बड़ा है? Do you have a big family? Yes, I have a big family. हाँ, मेरा खानदान बड़ा है. Yes, I have a big family. Do you love your family? क्या आप अपने खानदान से मोहब्बत करते हो? Do you love your family? Yes, I love my family. जी हाँ, मैं अपने खानदान से मोहब्बत करता हूँ. Yes, I love my family. Is your brother married? क्या आपके भाई की शादीशुदा है? Is your brother married? Yes, he is married. हाँ, वो शादीशुदा है. Yes, he is married. What do you do with your family? आप अपने खानदान से के साथ क्या करते हैं? What do you do with your family? We eat and play together. हम खेलते हैं और खाते हैं. We eat and play together. Where is your family now? आपका खानदान इस वक्त कहाँ है? Where is your family now? My family is at home. मेरा खानदान घर पे है. My family is at home. Do you have an aunt? क्या आपकी कोई हाला है? Do you have an aunt? Yes, I have an aunt. हाँ, मेरी एक हाला है. Yes, I have an aunt. Do you have an uncle? क्या आपके पास कोई चाचा है? Do you have an uncle? Yes, I have an uncle. हाँ, मेरे पास एक चाचा है. Yes, I have an uncle. Who do you live with? आप किसके साथ रहते हैं? Who do you live with? I live with my parents. मैं अपने वालिदैन के साथ रहता हूँ. I live with my parents.